Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna show you update on my bamboo, which I grow from seed and has been a while since last update. It was in winter time, and I decided to show you right now how looking for bamboo and new shoots that grow. That is awesome. And actually I grow my bamboo outside, but I'm comfortable to shoot inside, and yeah. After filming, I'm gonna move a bamboo outside in its place, so it grow new shoots, more thick, and they are really beautiful, more strong. And I have to show you close up, and let me show you the bamboo, how it grow in my case. And here's so looking the bamboo, and I cleaned the old shoots, which was tiny, stuff like that, and let this thick to grow, and look how much they did grow. But I accepted to grow taller, more taller, but you know what? The pot is too small already for this bamboo, and when I will show you that next time, it will be in a large pot. I'm gonna repot, and I will make as well videos, so stay tuned on my channel. And let me show you the shoots how looks like here, how thick. Awesome, just so beautiful shoots, I love them so much. Bamboo is number 2 of my favorite plants, and yeah, this shoot is the best, as you can see. Awesome, did grow, did take off this year of 2022, as you can see how beautiful. And I usually spray the leaves with water. It loves humid air like here, as you can see, 69 humidity, and that's it, looking beautiful. The new leaves, or maybe something missing from the new leaves, they looks like a bit of yellow, but I fertilized the bamboo today, and we'll see the new leaves how will grow, and we'll see the color. Just look at this. They are a little bit yellow, but I will take care and I'm gonna repot it. So beautiful, the bamboo looking. And I am not sure what variety is this, maybe you know, write in the comments. From a boy ordered seeds, red bamboo seeds, but I don't know. It will turn red or not, look at the shoots. And we'll see. And the potting soil seed, as you can see here, and have to add more, fill this pot, but have to repot first of all, and then we will see. And the second bamboo, which is like Mosa bamboo, and this season did not grow any shoots. I'm not sure why it did not grow. These are all the old shoots, and even this was grown in autumn. And as you can see, the leaves drying on the top already. Anyway, so looking. And this shoot dried, have to cut. Anyway, waiting for the new shoots. I also love a lot to do that. And I hope you enjoyed my bamboo update. My channel grow due to the bamboo videos, so thanks so much. Thanks for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit the notification bell to get notification when I posting new videos. If you want, can subscribe to my photography channel, link is in the corner and in description. And have an amazing day. Bye bye.